vehicle? Check out the 2022 S-Class. The S-Class is perhaps the only car in the world that doesn't aspire to be something else. The S-Class is a super comfortable and agile luxury sedan. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, panorama sunroof, rear window defroster, navigation system. Come take a test drive today.